Most people come to us after they've tried everything. Supplements, protocols, doctor's visits, specialists, diagnosis after diagnosis, and they still don't feel right. Or maybe you don't feel right. And you know, it's not because your body is broken. The brilliance is the body's doing what it was designed to do. Compensation. It's not a good or bad thing. It's just information. It's been shouting for your attention, and no one taught you how to listen to it. At Shen Generation, our remote protocol isn't about chasing symptoms. It's about uncovering a deeper story, the one written into your nervous system that shows up in labs, in your daily habits, your DNA. We'll gather the data and, more importantly, help you decode why your body's reacting, why it's holding on, and why healing hasn't fully landed yet. And we'll build your protocol from there. Simple, profound, strategic shifts that meet you where you're at, providing the foundational support your emotional body needs as much as your mitochondria, your cells, and downstream from that, your hormones. We'll be consistently refining our approach over time. As your body changes, our approach will change too, because everyone is unique. You won't be doing this alone. You'll have us in your corner, tracking, listening, adjusting. So if you're ready to stop guessing and to start to understand your body, let's begin the conversation.